There are 10 patterns in nature. Symmetry, spiral, wave, foam and bubbles, tessellations, fracture and cracks, stripes and spots, fractal, affine transformation, and meander. Now, let's find out their definitions as well as their different examples. Symmetry means that one shape becomes exactly like another when you move it in some way. There are three types of symmetry: the reflection symmetry, radial symmetry, and translation symmetry. Reflection symmetry, it is also known as bilateral symmetry. So it is a mirror effect, or when one object is reflected or flipped across a plane to create an image itself. Examples are coconut leaf and butterfly. Radial symmetry, or it is also known as rotation symmetry. It is when one object is rotated in a certain direction around a point. Examples: gumamela and lollipop. Translation symmetry. So it is when something has undergone a movement, shift, or a slide in a specified distance without any rotation or reflection. Examples are cactus and fence. Another pattern of nature is the spiral. So it is a curve which emanates from a point, moving farther away as it revolves around the point. Examples are snails and millipede. Wave. It is a physical phenomenon characterized by its frequency, wavelength, and amplitude. Examples are ocean. Foams and bubbles. It is a substance made by trapping air or gas bubbles inside a solid or liquid. Examples: tessellation. It is a tilling that uses shapes to cover a surface with no gaps or overlaps. Examples are corn and floor mat. Fractures, a separation of an object into two or more pieces under stress. Cracks is a line on a surface of something along which it has split with breaking into separate parts. Examples: stripes and spots are made by series of bands or strips, often the same width and color along the length. Examples are t-shirt and balloon. Fractal is a never-ending pattern. Examples are fern and papaya leaves. Affine transformation. It is a linear mapping method that preserves points, straight lines, and planes. Examples: meander, a winding curve or bend of a river or road. Examples are sapa and chicken intestine.